All right, 4:43. We say good morning to Ed Curran this Monday.
We're going to have a decent day in Chicago. And our day will see temperatures that are pretty seasonable, Chris. We're taking a look at temperatures that will go from the current very chilly 27 degrees at Aurora and 36 at O'Hare and get up to the mid-40s today, and that's typical of the season. Winds are out of the west at 7 miles an hour right now, and you can see that we've got, for the most part, clear skies around the Chicago area. So clear skies and sunshine and temperatures right where they ought to be, but tonight we'll see a mix of rain and snow come through Chicago. You see the snow here, a mix of wintry precipitation early in the morning tomorrow, and then by midday it changes all over to rain. So whatever you get that might accumulate on the ground is going to be here for a very short time, but we could see a small amount of snow at O'Hare. We could see a larger amount out to the northwest. This wants to give you about 2 inches up in McHenry, about 1 inch at O'Hare, and 2 inches at Aurora. So you can't take this for exactly what it says, but you can see the kind of snowfall we'll see around Chicago. So as we go through the day today, nice conditions, mid-40s, plenty of sunshine around Chicago. Tonight, that rain and snow starts up very late tonight in the overnight hours, and tomorrow we have the snow in the morning followed by rain. Thanksgiving looks gorgeous. 51 degrees, mostly sunny skies. Here's the way the week looks. 44 today and tomorrow with that rain-snow mix tomorrow. 54 Wednesday, 51 for Thanksgiving Day. Back to you.